Hello! This video is useful for everybody who has never held crochet hook in hands but needs to choose hook to start crochet practice. If you have some crochet experience, it would be also interesting for you to know how various crochet hooks are. So, hook is the main among all crochet tools. The structure of crochet hook includes following important parts. Handle is the place where your hand that holds the hook is located. It is the weightiest part of a hook. There is a flat indentation in this handle called the grip or pad that serves for thumb rest in order to grip the hook. The very large size hooks don't have such grip place for thumb. The next part of a hook is shank. It is the place where the loops are held while crocheting. It is good when the length of hook shank is from 0.8 to 1.2 inches. It is 2 or 3 centimeters. The diameter of the hook shank determines the size of the crochet stitches and is measured in millimeters. You have to know that the term crochet hook size means the diameter of a hook shank. That's why shank is a very important part of hook structure. You can get more useful information about hook sizes in my another video. I have placed the necessary link at the top of your screen and in the description box under this video. I also have a great video about how to choose suitable hook size for amigurumi toys. The necessary link is at the top of your screen right now and in the description box under this video. The next part of a hook is throat. It connects the shank and the head of the hook. The length of the throat should be very short in order to provide quick slip of the loop towards the shank and back while crocheting. Short throat helps to get all loops of the same size. All parts mentioned before, handle, grip, shank and throat, form the body of the hook. The head of the hook consists of following parts: lip, thread guide, ball. The task of hook's head is to grab the yarn to form the loop. The shape and the size of the head can be different. It depends on the design and development of a specific manufacturer. Modern crochet hooks are the result of mass production, but also you have a possibility to buy handmade hooks. Crochet hooks are manufactured in various materials: steel, aluminum, plastic, wood, bamboo. Pay attention to following. It can be used only one material type to produce one hook. As a result, there is a total metal hook, or total plastic hook, or total wood hook. Also, it can be used to several material types in the production of one hook. As a result, the hook handle is plastic or wood, while hook head, throat and shank are aluminum or steel. Such hooks are more ergonomic because have specific comfort handle and grip. No matter what material the hook is produced from, the hook's surface should be perfectly smooth without roughness. In another case, the yarn thread will constantly cling to them while crocheting. It is interesting that some hooks can dirty the yarn during crochet process. It happens with very light color yarn, for example, white or milk. If you want to crochet with such yarn, be sure that all places that are in touch with yarn don't dirty it. These places are shank, throat and all parts of the hook head. The washing helps to clear the crochet fabric of finished item if it was dirty by the hook. Steel, aluminum or plastic hooks are the best choice for a crochet beginner. They are sold in different offline and online stores. It can be a total steel or total plastic hook. You may use a hook made from the mix of metal and plastic. Once you know how to work the basic crochet stitches, try some other types of hook to find the one that suits you best. The hooks with metal head, throat and shank have a very wide size range. If you want to work with lace yarn, your suitable hooks are in size from 0.5 mm to 1.75 mm. These hooks are so fine that even have metal or silicone point protector in place to prevent accidents. This hook is larger, its size is 8 millimeters. It is very easy to insert the hook with metal head, throat and shank into the stitch because such metal hook parts are sharper than plastic or wood. It is also easy to move the loops on the metal hook shank while crocheting. The total steel hooks are cold to the feel and heavier than other hooks. Aluminum hooks are lighter than steel. It is interesting that some yarn fiber, for example acrylic, can squeak on the aluminum or plastic hook shank. It is necessary to take the hook with steel shank to work with such yarn. Total plastic hooks are also very popular and inexpensive. They come in different colors. The size range of such hooks is also wide. The main disadvantage of these hooks is that they are not as precisely made as metal and wooden hooks. Hardwood and bamboo hooks are eco-friendly and warm to the touch. Such hooks are very attractive and lighter in weight than steel hooks. They provide a good grip to prevent your fingers from slipping while crocheting. There is one more group of hooks types called jumbo hooks. These hooks are very large sizes, from 10 mm to 20 mm. They are produced from plastic, wood or bamboo. They are used for making thick crochet fabric very quickly. There are some special crochet hook types used for special crochet techniques. For example, Tunisian hook for Tunisian crochet technique is longer than a regular hook since you have to fit on and hold many stitches as opposed to only one stitch with a regular hook. The special type of crochet hook is broomstick. It is a thick stick used in conjunction with a regular hook to create the lace loops in broomstick lace. So, this knowledge about hook types is your first step to find the best hook for your hands. The second step is to use different hook types on practice. There is no other way. Subscribe and have a nice time!